Welcome back all my fishing buddies. Today we're at Trent Vale, hill coming down, and you can see I'm in that same peg again, and I'm going to be determined to get this bigger pike. We've got underwater footage, GoPros and things, try and catch it, taking the bait if I can. I might be using live baits again, so if you don't want to watch this video using live baits, not a problem. I don't usually like using live baits myself, but I'm going to go with Lewis first. Need to tackle everything up, get everything sorted, and then see if I can get this pike on, because like I say, a crocodile, and I really want to catch it. Phil's going to come down with the kayak and have a clean up and tidy some bits out this. Pop and bottles and beer bottles all over, as per usual. Every time I come fishing, there's something. So, plenty of bubbles coming up all over. So bream will be feeding. So, we'll see what we can do today. See if we can get him on, hopefully. Take care. Come up for a float then. That's what he is, that's him over here, look. Just seen it over here. Oh. Got it. Got it. Nice little jack. Phil? Got another one. Little jack, about £1.5, £2. Gonna get him back in. Tiny little jack. That one that jumped into him, that were a big one. The tiny little jack. So I'm letting him go back in.
So I took trebles off. Might be able to repair this. And spin it. Unbelievable. And there were loads more floats what we've got and need sorting. Loads and loads and loads of line that wildlife could have got hurt with. So imagine these are in water and someone takes it. Madness.
Right, first things first this morning, up bright and early, we're off to River Sound, me and Phil. He's going to be at my house about 10 o'clock, and if we're going in his car, going in my car, so we're going in mine. Go off to the dolphin tackle shop, go and get some maggots, some stick float fishing, and try and get some underwater footage of these pike, and my keep net bag, managed to get ripped the last few days. We're going to try and repair it, but non-repairable, sadly, so it's cost me to get a keep net bag and some hooks, and then obviously get everything ready to go fishing, and let's go fishing. So, see you in a bit. As you can see, it's full of lilies and strimmerweed. Just, you've got to find holes. Just got down to River Sow with Phil, and it's been a little jack pike in there, and a few bream. He just had a really big gudgeon. So I'm gonna keep, just have a couple of trots on this bit, and then we're moving further down. Or further up river, sorry, not further up river, not further down. So if we get one on, pal. There were some nice bream here, but they moved. That was a bite. No? Oh, sorry, mate. I'd lost your float, mate, sorry. I'd lost the float, sorry. You have quite a lot showing on top, Phil, don't you? I docked mine right down.
No, thingy, mate. I've got one up shop.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. That's a buddie.
Hold on, mate. Is that a chub? Look like a chub, mate, doesn't it? That's a decent sized perch. Not bad sized perch.
Right, isn't it? Yeah. Perchy, perchy.
Well done, Phil. Just walking down river and Phil's just spotted a shoulder big roach. So he's got a roach lock.
Like that, does it?
Nice size roach.
Big Jake, look at that. Oh, see the perch, see the perch. See if he takes it. Perch, he's got it. Got the perch, got the big perch. Take it straight away. I've got plate for you, I'll put on you. Get it in there, just this way.
So we carried on, make our way down the river, carried on catching fish. People asking us what we were doing in there. Obviously, they thought we were water boat authorities. They seemed to be all cameras and everything else. Quite hilarious, actually. Somebody asked us, is there actually fish in here? So, from this next part of the video, you'll see definitely there's some fish. So I'm going to put some underwater footage that we got. walking down, there's a bit of footage of releasing the fish and stuff, and then we found a shopping trolley that belonged to the Asdas, so we're going that way anyway, so we ended up chucking the tackle on that and going down to the Asdas. So I'll show you that bit of footage of releasing the fish and whatever we did then. We're out there fishing, buddies. Join me and Phil on River Sow. We've had about an hour and a half. We've noticed that water's dropped quite a hell of a lot, so we're going to move swims, move a different swim. Some nice days we've had, got some underwater footage. Lovely day, met loads of new people and stuff, so catching loads of myself, enjoying it. So, see if we can catch some more. Phil's having a go. What's that one, Phil? Little days. Well done, mate. Phil's having another cheeky go. Didn't Tim said you want to have a good pull? No, you're right, mate. You're right. I can't see your float, pal. Oh, there you go. It's going. Go another one. Continue to see his float going. What's that one, mate? Number days. Daisy choke. Let's have a look at this one, Phil. They're absolutely gorgeous, these fish. Most of them have never been caught before. He's gone.
As you can tell, it's super fish. Woo.
Are we enjoying it? Right, we're on River Sow. As you can see, I've got a number 8 back drop shot. Drennan, stick float, plastic end, number 8, another number 8, size 20 up, double maggot. It's only about a foot deep where we're fishing, so I'm sure you can tell. 2 maggots. Get down in the water. Oh, that was a right line. You see that? Small one. Quick release. And next. So we carried on down River Sow. We found a shopping trolley that belonged to the Asda. So we ended up taking that back down. We're going that way anyway, so we took it back down to Asda. On the way there, we've seen a pike. Obviously, both got puller reeds on, and didn't look good at all. It like it's gill raker or something. Something wrong with its side of its face. Could see it, and obviously tried to catch it. Managed to get it on. Sadly, I'm not a vet. I can't help it as much as I would like to help it. Hopefully, it survived. Took a few times to try and get it on. I've got the footage of getting it on, but it had been trying to attack the roach that were bringing them in. I would actually seen it attack a roach prior to catching it. So got it on, and I actually could see it was damaged. But like I said, sadly, there's nothing I could do for it, and it did swim away. So hopefully, it does survive. Got an angry pike out of. Are you recording? Yeah, I've got an angry pike. We've seen something wrong with its gill raker, so we've checked it over. It looked like a fish had come through inside its gill raker. I managed to get it out, luckily. Oh.
Keep them on there.
Yeah, I've got it.
Don't, you don't be careful of my net going down yet. It's only silverfish net. Hold the frame, mate.
We've had a resting. Let's swim off. She's ready, look. It is still something like, looks like it's coming out of gill, look. See it?
Should have had a good examine it, yeah.
Yeah.
Still see it on the bottom now, eh?
Yeah.
Click.
I think I'll be able to get back up. You don't want to put it on me.
Careful. You can try to re-scoop it.
Let's see what's up here. Come on, lass. That ain't right, is it?
Check it and have a look.
Yeah, gill's ripped.
Check there's no lures or anything on it.
Yeah, gill's ripped, mate. Look.
There's some cruel people about, aren't they?
Oh, it's all come out, mate.
Push it back in then, because it needs resetting, doesn't it? Some cruel people about, aren't they?
Ah, there you go. Spat out another roach.
Has it? Crikey.
It can't be hitting that bad, can it?
Nope.
Right, we're still on River Sow. Still a bit further down the river, not much further, 10-15 yards. We found a really deep, nice hole here. Walked for about, must have walked for a good mile. I've had a couple of casts, had some nice perch. So I'm just going to put double maggot on. Double red, I think. Obviously got that pike out earlier. When I could first see it, I could see something wrong with its gill raker. Got it out, and obviously somebody's caught it. Previous to myself, spat 4 roach out. It was weird. Spat 4 roach out. Well, his gill raker all ripped its side. Cruelty fish. Obviously people pike fish this place, so I'll trot down and show you. You can trot it in edge or down. See if we can turn that round a bit. Seat float. Make a seat float, yeah. If not, I'll get Phil to video record a bit. Lovely little swim. It's about 6 foot deep, 7 foot deep. It's quite a long trot all the way down. Just missed a bite. There you go. Little perch. I've had some bigger perch. They've been here 5 minutes, 10 minutes already. Catching a few fish. Not using keep net. I've only got a couple of hours left, so I'm not going to wet keep net up. Really slow trot. Perfect people learning how to stick float fish and whatever. You'll get away with a waggler, but as I say, every time I stick float fish, I like me stick float fishing. Could actually get a pole on here. You had a big gudgeon, mate? Yeah, I've had quite a few fish. I hope the underwater footage comes out well for today with another fish. Another small perch. You can see it's being fished this part because all the grass has been pushed down and whatever. Should really change the maggots, but I'm just going to show you how easy it is to catch fish because it's really easy on this part. I can get out like that. Like I said, a couple of maggots behind it, and this is a good 50-yard trot down to where Phil is. And like I say, it's all weedy, this river. It's really weedy. It's shallow in places, it's lost a lot of water. This is the best, deepest hole we've found up to now, except for that pike that we had further up there. We'll get some nice roach up that. Some nice roach up that bit. Had some decent sized gudgeon. Not a lot of people like gudgeon, but me and Phil love gudgeon. Fish is a fish. A lot of people just come on here for pike. We've been told there's a few little carp in it. Some chub in it. We've caught chub before up to about £3. It's a lovely river. It's a shame about all push bikes and shopping trolleys and another bite. On the way down, somebody's left an Asda shopping trolley, so I used that, put my tackle on it, brought it all the way to Asda and dropped it off. Used to give him the shopping trolley bag. Saved my back. I said just in edge, there's 6 foot of water just in edge. You could get a keep net, put your box, sit on a box. We've come with waders because we're expecting to drink water. First time I've gone down without a bite. Change them maggots, if I'm honest. Yeah, maggots got weed in it. Usual setup what I use. Stick float. Try 2 white maggots. Phil's catching every chub, every cast we're catching fish. It's a bit quieter here than it is in that park as well. It's quite a loud place, that park. Some nice fish under the bridge. You can see fish clearly under the bridge. Sight fishing for bigger roach and whatever. But with this type of fishing, you don't know what you're going to get. You could get up into a decent chub or You never know. Missed that bite. Just look. Mosquitoes started on that. Mozzies are here. Mosquitoes, yeah, stay on my arm. Yeah, I mean, feel like all different types of fishing. It's not always about catching big pike and carp and everything else. Sometimes it's just go out and have a couple of hours fishing. Walked through and picked up as usual rubbish, as we usually do. Just a shame to see shopping trolleys and stuff in river. It's disgusting. Oh, that felt like a take a slug at it on, I think. Now I've looked, that was a better fish, Phil. A bit further down to swim. So just a bit of an insight to River Sow. I might ask Caroline if she wants to come here tomorrow. Fish this. Teach her how to stick float fish. I know me brother's young and Alfie. He likes to stick float fishing, so I think he'd love to come here. Some fast flowing parts and some slower parts, and learning all different types of stick float fishing. So if I get a decent fish on, I'll get some pictures and take a quick video. Yeah. Just hooks into a nice roach. I've not got landing net set up, which I should have. Lovely roach. Beautiful. Yeah, it's definitely a nice swim. I've had a walk down river. Been for a walk 5 minutes. Had a walk down river. Seen a guy fishing down there. There's a few chub and catching on chub on worm. Really shallow. Weedy. There's not many swims on this river. It's a case of walking down, putting a bit of time in before you come fishing, unless you don't mind walking with tackle, finding swims, and probably what you've got to do, keep trying to find swims on here. But obviously when this weed starts dying off, it'll be a nice river, but this is definitely a deeper roll. Remember this one. Bit mozzies. Snag bit. See that bit of string that far side. So yeah, you got to come down, do your own work first, have a look, come down, walk down. Might worth bring a pair of waders if you've got them. Fish. Oh, that was a better fish. And see what's what. Lovely river. I keep saying, lovely river. So unless we get a big fish, we'll leave it there. To the bite. I'm going to put my jumper on and get him bit with mozzies. I'm going to quickly turn it off and leave it there. Size of that for a gudgeon. Sit down, mate. Gudgeon. Great belly on it. Beautiful fish, these gudgeon. I love them. There you go, mate. So if I get a bigger fish, I'm recording. So to me, good size gudgeon like that's a bigger fish. Tiddlers to everybody else, but I enjoyed my fish. So thank you ever so much everybody for watching the videos. Thanks for your support. If you want to become a fishing buddy, hit the button below. Becoming a fishing buddy, every 100 subscribers, we will be having a prize giveaway. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you.